Hey, what's up everybody? It's Crispy Jeb here with another quick tutorial. So lately, I've been having a lot of trouble with a lot of my Xbox controllers. Left stick drift. I have another controller that has right stick drift. This controller has sticky buttons. But don't worry, these are relatively easy fixes. All you need is a few simple tools. Today we're going to work on this guy. If you have much experience with modern controllers in general, you know, these things are made to be cheap. I'm sure a lot of you have experienced, you know, one of these issues or another. We have a fix. So first thing we're going to do, step number one, we got to finish tearing down this controller the rest of the way, so we can get into the guts and get the fix of this, okay? Alright, so here's step number one. Alright, and now that we have it opened, let's get a look inside. Let's see what we got here. We got some wires here, this thing spinning here. We got some circuit boards, yeah, pretty standard stuff. All right, and now that we have this guy open here, that allows us to get in and start work on the issues, you know. So get our other tool ready here. Oh yeah, this is good. This is good for the controller. So far, so good. I think we're really making some progress on making this controller work for us. And okay, so step three. You know, a lot of people say that this is a hatchet job. Yeah. Now, it gets a little squirrely this bit. Gonna have to get in there, put a little elbow in this, okay?
What are you doing?
I'm doing a tutorial video.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
And there you go. Thank you for watching, and now, last step. Let's put this sucker back together, okay? And here you can see that now everything is better. You may have paid hundreds of dollars for this thing to break on you, but you fixed it. Huh? And you feel better. Good job.